Okay folks, Bob here. So I'm working on this 2001 S10, and this seat has a little bit of a damage right here. And I have a parts truck over here. Let me show you it. This is it right here. It's a 99, I believe. 99 or 2000. Got the exact same seat in it. And it's dirty but no damage. So we're gonna take the seat out of the parts truck. I've already taken it loose, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you what all we did here, okay? Okay, here's the tools you're gonna need. You'll need a 15mm wrench. And if you happen to have a ratchet wrench, that's even better. But before you do that, you got to break the bolts loose with a breaker bar. 15mm, and a pipe if you need to. On the parts truck, I needed a pipe. So far on this truck, they broke loose, no problem. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and it's not a bad idea to have a wide flat blade. This little piece right here, I have no idea why they put that on, but it's screwed off until it got right to the very top, and then I just took the pliers and just popped it off. And there's three bolts, one on that end there, here, and then back here to use this Torx bit. So you're gonna need a T47. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there you go, T47. And that fits this nicely. And on the parts truck, it was super tight. I needed a breaker bar for it and the pipe. So, let me take these bolts off and we'll swap these seats out. I forgot to mention, there's a little plastic cover that goes right there. And that's what you'll need the Phillips head for. You get the screw that goes right in there out. All right, so I've got these two bolts off. Let me slide the seat back and get the other bolt, the other nut off. Then I'll tackle this thing in the back. Now this one here had some thread sealer on it. It was a little tough. That one did too. It came off easy though. There they are right there. So let me get the other nut off, and then we'll tackle the little star bolt. I also noticed I got my little fan set up. It's hot and muggy here in North Carolina, so I always like to put my little fan up, and it's got it blowing a little too much. It's really blowing some good air on me. I'm gonna break my sinuses loose. I'm gonna turn that fan back a little bit. And here on the front, same thing, had a little plastic cover. I just took that screwdriver and just popped it off. I guess that's what that little plastic piece is for. I mean, that little metal piece, it helps snap into that. So it needs to be reinstalled, it looks like. So let me screw this one off and out of the way, and we'll get that nut loose. Okay, the seat is out. Ended up using this electric, like an air gun, to get this out. It broke it free with the ratchet, but it was kind of tight, so I just zipped it with that, got it off pretty quick. So it's good to go. Now let me grab the seat out of the other truck, put it in. Okay, it's in. Just got to bolt it down. Everything lined up good. The only thing I've noticed is this one don't have the thing on the back, the pouch on the back to put stuff in, and the seat belt is dirty. This one here has a little pouch. I'd take that seat belt off, but it got a little ring around it there. It's proven to be difficult to get off, so we'll be good with what we got. Let me get it bolted in. All right, guys, it's all put back together. Plastic covers are all back on, good and tight. The little metal rings went on fine, and the plastic covers popped on good. Only thing left to do is clean the seat up. We'll do that in another video. So pretty easy. That was the tools you needed. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give me that like, that thumbs up, guys, but it really does help with the algorithms. And the diesel exhaust fluid is something I picked up from another truck. It's not for this. This truck has the 4.3 V6. But yeah, that's gonna be a little helpful. I didn't like that tear was gonna get worse. So we're good here. Clean it up good, and do that next video and move on to something else. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope that was helpful to you. And I'm sure the driver seat's the same way, same principle. All right, folks, Bob out.